scientists can now grow a mini organs on the plate.
What is actually stem cell and stem cell regeneration, regenerative medicine?
If you think about clay, which can make anything you want to make. Similarly, these stem cells can be used to make any kind of cells like brain cells, lung cells, kidney cells, etc.
How do you see the stem cell studies, means stem cell research and the regenerative medicine benefiting the society?
If someone having the heart attack, so we can use stem cells because stem cells have power to repair, regenerate and restore.
Who can be the potential collaborators for this? Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all again to the second series of podcast Healing Power Within. So, today I am your host, Dr. Shantani, and I have with me today Dr. Abhishek Pandeya, a stem cell and regenerative medicine researcher. Dr. Abhishek Pandya is a PhD from BBAU Lucknow on role of viral microRNA on cellular pathways. He has done his postdoc from a renowned CSIR institute on stem cell and regenerative medicine. So I welcome Dr. Pandya to the show.
Thank you, Dr. Santosh, for such a nice introduction.
And now, since you are from stem cell and regenerative medicine background and you have done extensive research on this, so my first question to you is, and for all our listeners, what is actually stem cell and stem cell regeneration, regenerative medicine, and how it is shaping the research?
So this question is really vast, just like stem cells. So what is stem cell actually? Means if you think about clay, which can make anything you want to make, like a glass you can make by the help of clay. So similarly, these stem cells can be used to make any kind of cells, like brain cells, lung cells, or kidney cells, etc. So this scientist is used to these cells to study diseases, test new different kind of medicines in the clinical trials, and even repair or replace the damaged tissues or damaged cells in the body. So, for example, scientists can now grow a mini organs on the plate, which they can use as a organ, or we can say that they can use that mini organs for testing the different kind of medicine, because that simulate the structure of a specific organ which is already in our body. So now nowadays some that is cell-free therapy is also going on, which is known as exosomes or extracellular vesicles, which we can say that this is the healing messages which we can send on the place where the damaged cells are there. So these messages can replace or these messages can restore the potential of that cell effectively. Next is that when I am doing my postdoctoral research on the stem cells, we worked on different kind of neuronal cells like motor neurons and etc. and iPSC. Even I have seen that we can make stem cells from different adult cells like fibroblast of ours. So we can reprogram that into the stem cells. So by the help of this, we can go for the personalized medicine for the patients also.
Okay, so that means reprogramming, cellular reprogramming, what I can understand. So from your information, like preparing a 3D organoid and reprogramming, drug reprogramming or cellular reprogramming, so this is a collaborative work, as I can understand. So who can be the potential collaborators for this?
Yes, that's a nice question. Because without collaboration, it is not possible to do any kind of research. Because for the stem cell and regenerative medicine related research, this collaborations is the backbone of ours. First collaborators might potential collaborator might be institutions or universities, academic institutions. So who can doing biotechnology related research or molecular medicine like research. Second one is the clinicians in the hospitals in the field of ophthalmology or surgery or cardiology, etc. That will also be a potential collaborator for us. So second one is the without funding we are not be able to do any kind of research. So government funding agency or government agencies is also a potential collaborator, which can provide funds as well as provide the guidance so that we can study further. So another is the when we talk about the translational potential of our stem cell and regenerative medicine related research. So biotech companies is very much potential collaborators for us. So this teamwork ensure that what start in the lab can actually reach to the person or reach to the hospital bed. That is our motto for the study.
Right. So when you are talking about uh, reaching these things to hospitals and benefiting the patients, so how do you see the stem cell studies and stem cell studies means stem cell research and the regenerative medicine benefiting the society?
So that's the fascinating question because stem cell have power to repair, regenerate, and restore. That is something we call as R3 potential for the stem cell. So let me take one example that if someone having the heart attack, so definitely there will be some kind of cardiac cells is going to get damaged. So we can use stem cells which we converted it into the cardiac cells and we can put that cardiac stem cells into it so that it can regenerate or it can heal the things effectively without any problem. So second question we will take that this is as we know that this is Delhi and very rush traffic is there. So somebody receives some kind of accident. So somebody have received the spinal cord injury. So we have potential stem cell have potential to put that nerve stem cells into it so that they can recover fast. Another thing is that we can go for the personalized medicine by making some kind of biobanking there, and so that we can give some personalized medicine to the patient specific.
So that means we are utilizing our own cells to repair our own damage, right? Okay. So you as a stem cell researcher and you have did so much research in this field, how are you seeing this as a future scope for the research?
So future is full of possibilities for the stem cell and regenerative medicine research. So we are now developing personalized treatment where your own cells can be reprogrammed to make tissue of your body avoid rejection. We are exploring 3D bioprinting where special printer like things are there so that we can make a patches or other kind of thing by the help of stem cell. So the rejection will be minimized. Lots of work is going on this field. Ultimately, the goal is simple to make healing natural again. In the coming decade, regenerative medicine won't just treat disease, it helps the body to heal itself.
Right. Okay. So, actually, from Abhishek's information, we can say that we are not only utilizing our own cells, we are regenerating our own cells for our own healing. Thank you so much, Dr. Abhishek, for your enriching information. I must say, I think this is very much this will be very much beneficial to our listeners who are always our supporters and what like this. So for more such episodes, stay tuned with us and stay curious and stay updated. Thank you so much.